Integrating with Epic EHR needs to be seamless and easy for both the patient and practitioner to use. Through the secure portal, the patient logs in to secure their video visit. They choose the time and reason of the appointment and may have access to additional information such as which doctor to see or where they'll be located at the time of the video visit. Once the appointment is scheduled, the patient can test their audio-video network connection for the upcoming appointment. They can also validate and update insurance details, preferred pharmacy, and update allergies or medical issues. At appointment time, the patient again logs into their patient portal and can view all their upcoming appointments. They choose Start Video Visit for their current appointment. At this point, they can test their video connection again or just begin the video visit. They'll be connected to the hospital's virtual waiting room until the doctor arrives. For the doctor or practitioner, having a virtual session is simple as well. They log into the virtual chart and from the menu they can prepare themselves for the patient appointment, having immediate access to the patient information before clicking on Join Video Visit. Once the video visit begins, charting can take place while maintaining the full audio and video connection with the patient. Video visits are a critical component to improving community health and giving patients greater access to healthcare. Our services team will work directly with your organization to complete the integration of our video solution into your EHR system.